Okay, good morning. Monday, October 4th, 2021. As always, we're in real time, every time. Today we're looking at OPGN. We've got several little bits of news come out. They had FDA approval, and they also had a revenue boost. We do have some real, this is a longer term chart. We do have some real 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tops. If we can break this area, we're looking at potentially making a really significant move. We have to break that level for sure, strongly. But I do like the, this is a MCAD. The question is, how low will this go? I think it might come all the way back down to 320s. And if you're really good at this, I guess you could buy it at the 320s and then maybe take it back. That could be what's going to happen today. We're going to come down to 320s and we'll finish at the high day here at 80s and 90s. And the question is that low enough? Did that come down close enough to the bottom there? We got a 27, so I don't know. I'd like it to be more like 24. But that's just me. We'll just have to wait and see. Was that low enough to make that dip? And now she shall do the rip. Okay, so it doesn't, I don't know, doesn't look like we've changed over to our play of the days just are not working, and they haven't worked all last week. So this is starting off on a bad note for this week. This was last week, right? It's tough to know when our season comes for these, but we're closing in on it. We're just not quite ready, so we're still going to sit on our hands, and we're just going to wait. Okay, it appears to be an oil and gas day. That oil spill that happened there in California has really made the price of oil and gas kind of, not the price yet. I don't know. Their stocks are going up for some reason. Because there's going to be more demand. There's going to be, it's kind of sad that the price of oil stocks go up after a spill. And then we've got our major markets here taking a tumble, but they're falling right into the spot where it's indecisive. Like, the decision needs to be made here. It's quite interesting how it's being held up here. I'm telling you, if it breaks below these lines, we're looking at another 5% down, probably no problem. Our plan here for OPGN, it just didn't work, right? Just like I thought. There was an outstanding spread here that I didn't... I recognize the outstanding spread. It just didn't... I don't know. I didn't 100% like this one because of that outstanding spread, but good thing that we didn't get filled here, right? Good thing we put our price up high. Well, even if you had to put your price down here at a little bit lower, 10 cents lower, it still may not have filled. But I mean, you have to be patient. You have to wait for your timing. Timing is everything. And again, timing is everything. When to trade, how to take profits, how to think small losses. You got to think small losses. We got to be able to cut this thing quick. We don't got to get attached to these things. We can't get married to these tickers. You got to know when to cut it. And it looks like it might be a short video because we got nothing else coming up here. And seeing as our morning play didn't work out. But if you like this stuff, subscribe, push the like thumbs up, smash that thumbs up button. Share it with anybody you think that could benefit from this type of of video. But that's going to be it for now. As always, there's high fives for everyone.